Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be digging through all of my beauty empties. I've got a lot going on. That could have been a disaster. What is staring me down big time in here is actually this that is not mine. This is James's. This is his empty, and I want to go and buy a new one because I personally love when he wears this. This is Spice Bomb, and he's kind of over it, but I'm like, I'm not. I want him to smell like this all the time. I think it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it just like takes me right back to like fabulous dates, and like whenever he wears this, he'd wear this a lot during colder weather months. So like a sweater and this scent, I just love it. This is the male equivalent, in my opinion, to Tokyo Milk Dark, the Tainted Love fragrance that I love so much. It has that almost pipe tobacco, sweet, musky type of a scent, and I love this. I'm getting him a new bottle. I do want to tell you guys that like from here on out, whenever I finish a Laura Mercier bottle of the Flawless Fusion Ultra-Longwear Foundation, I will be quick to pick up another because this has just been such a great foundation for me. I love it. I'm not wearing it right now because I've been testing out different foundations, but when I am making videos, it is especially my very favorite because I know it's gonna wear all day long. It doesn't break apart, and I was so sad the day that this just would not pump anymore. No joke, I twisted this thing open and I was like scraping the bits off of this guy right here, and then I was like banging the bottle on the back of my hand, and at that point I was like, I think it's actually just time to go and purchase another bottle. This is such a great foundation. It doesn't make me break out. It is full coverage. It is so good. It's the foundation of my dreams. I just love it. All right, so moving into these guys that somehow I always break the spoolie off the end of here. It's a sad day when you like go to snap more up and there's nothing there. So this is the Brow Wiz in medium brown by Anastasia. I also have another medium brown. That's funny. I actually use soft brown right now. I'm back using that mixed in with my Dior Universal Brow Pencil, and that combo is working for me. I'm actually also enjoying going a little bit darker. I've been playing with that too. You guys seem to like me with darker brows for some reason. But yeah, these are great brow pencils. They always have been, and enough said. All right, moving into a little bit of skincare, I finally, after a very long time of having this, I finished off my Maracuja oil from Tarte. This is such a good oil that you can put on the body, but my favorite way to use this, which I don't think I've heard people talking about this, but I will put a few like droppers, like not just a drop, but like the full dropper. I'll put a few in my bath, and I feel like it really sinks into the skin. I love doing oil baths. I've talked about that before. You have to be very careful to not stand up. Don't make it dangerous. You do make the bathtub very slippery if you put, you know, coconut oil or an oil like this in the water. But I feel when you are in the bathtub and everything is kind of soaking and softening, it's a great time to just really let that drench your skin. And I've always experienced super soft skin after doing an oil bath, so I definitely will miss this. I have a lot of other oils to get through right now, so I don't think I'll be purchasing a new one right now. These two I'm really into at the moment, the Lancer Omega Hydrating Oil. This one is really great mixed with your foundation. I also really love the Laura Mercier Flawless Skin Infusion Rose Nourishing Oil. Again, these two stay here on my vanity for mixing in foundation, but I just think beauty oils are such a wonderful thing for the body, the hair, the face, foundation, a bath. I mean, they're just great to have on hand. Elemis, I have two things that I'm done with, and I already have replacements for both of these. The Elemis Smart Cleanse Micellar Water, I freaking love this. I use this in the morning before going to the gym. I love that there's a pump here, and I literally will take a cotton round and pump, pump, pump. I'll take a couple of pumps, and it just gets rid of any of the gunk from like sweating in the middle of the night. And I feel like I want my skin to be clean if I'm gonna go to the gym and sweat it out, but I also don't want to strip my skin of too many of the oils and over dry it out. So I don't like washing my face with a traditional cleanser, you know, soap and water cleanser in the morning. So I love using this, and it's a really great, gentle micellar water. Another micellar water that I really love so much, this is the Origins Mega Mushroom. This is the Skin Relief Micellar Water Cleanser. This does remove makeup really well, better than the Elemis in my opinion. The thing that I really like about this one is it is very, very soothing, and I'm exploring the mushroom line from Origins right now. I actually got sent a bunch of it in PR and I gave it to my dad because he has very sensitive skin and he wanted to get into a skincare routine. Hi Dad. He watches all my videos, which I freaking love. I think that's like so supportive. So he wanted to know like what I would recommend, and I was like rifling through and I'm like, hey, try this. It was working out really well for him, which of course then made me go, maybe I should give that like another look. So I have a mask that I was just recently sent and I'm trying that out. So far so good. But this whole Mego-Mushroom line is really, really good. So gentle, and I have thoroughly enjoyed what I've tried. I also have this Almond shower oil. This is from L'Occitane, and this scent is just, it's so good. It just, I was about to say that I would just pay the money for the scent of this just because I don't know why, but this fragrance just like means something to me. It just brings me to a good place. It's so cozy. It just makes me happy. It's the coziest, most beautiful fragrance, and this is a beautiful shower oil. You can cleanse the body with it without overstripping your body and drying it out, but I also really love using this to shave my legs, so it's kind of a 2-in-1, really quick, and I love the fragrance. It's just, it makes showering more enjoyable and fun. They do have beautiful body products as well, and that scent just kind of wraps you up. Something that I love in the shower is a good in-shower moisturizer. This one from Curel is really great. You can actually shave your legs with these too. It makes a great shave cream. This is the Hydra Wet Skin Moisturizer. Now this is a water-activated moisturizer and it has a ceramide complex, absorbs immediately. And what I like about this is you literally just, take a few pumps, you put it on in the shower, you rinse off, and if you don't have time to use moisturizer, which 9 times out of 10, like you're, drying off and putting on a pair of jeans, and who wants to be all sticky and lotiony right out of the shower? So I really love using this, and I feel like it keeps my skin super soft, and it's just a good habit that I've gotten into to always use a wet moisturizer in the shower, and this one is from the drugstore, unscented, really gentle, and very, very effective, so I do like that. Speaking of ceramides, you guys, don't kill me. I am going to talk about Halo because I'm empty. It's an empty. Even though, I kind of know the owner. I'm being really cheesy. I already have, obviously, backups because I cannot do without this. This is my brand. This is my baby. This is everything to me, and I want to clear something up really quickly for you guys because I think when I was explaining a bunch about Halo, when I did my hour-long video answering a bunch of questions for you guys right after launch, I did mention that James has been very, very consistent with Halo and that I would kind of pull the brakes on it and stop for a couple of weeks and then, go back into the formula to kind of see what would happen to my skin. I wanted to see if the moisture would leave really quickly. I wanted to see how my foundation would apply. For me, I need to supplement in my diet. I have allergies to things. I have health issues going on that I have to make sure that I'm doing what I can to take care of my health. So I have always been on, vitamin B, vitamin D, calcium, magnesium. A lot of the components that are in Halo, I stay consistent with for my overall health. So it's really hard to do a complete before and after because I've been using supplements for so long that I was not willing to completely rip myself off of everything and potentially damage my health and well-being to do a before and after, if that makes any sense. I do struggle with depression, anxiety, and for me, going a more natural way and approaching it through therapy, through exercise, through supplements, diet, that has been the way to go for me. I didn't want to mess around with it too much, so as far as like the complete before and after, I do apologize that I couldn't give you the full story because I was never going to completely abandon so many of the things that were working for me and my overall health and well-being beyond just the beauty element of it. Now, Ceramide RX, that I have pulled myself off of. I have put myself back on to see if that was the ingredient that would, change the moisture levels in my skin, and it absolutely does. that is such a powerhouse ingredient. The ceramides do work. They do give you more moisture in the skin. It's measurable. And yeah, I hope that kind of clears up a little bit of the before and afters. But now that we are a month in, we're a full-on solid month and a few days in, I wanted to take a moment and show you guys some before and afters. They're really dramatic, you guys. They're so dramatic. I can't believe a whole month has gone by. So many of you guys are loving Halo, and I am appreciating the feedback, the excitement, seeing your before and afters. It has meant so much to me, and we're on month 2 now, so stay tuned. I am always going to be working on raising the bar with this brand every single day. Every day it is a work, it is a passion, and here's to month 2. What else we got in here? Another micellar water. This seems to be the thing that I go through so quickly. I use a lot of it. I'm constantly like cleaning my skin, I guess. Miracle Water from IT Cosmetics. This is the anti-aging 3-in-1 glow tonic. This is skin brightening and it's a radiance booster. I like it, but if I'm comparing, I like the Elemis one better and the Origin, so I won't be repurchasing this. This hand soap right here from Redmond, which I actually lived in Redmond once upon a time. This was sent to me from a health pharmacy in Redmond. I don't even know what the name of it was, but I got sent this hand soap and randomly was kind of like, okay, let's give it a shot. You know, it looks natural. And this is the all natural hand and body soap in lavender, and I love this. It's a natural glycerin soap. It's made from coconut oil, distilled water, olive oil, glycerin, castor oil, jojoba oil, and lavender essential oil. So really natural, nothing stripping. And you guys, I have had a lifelong struggle with eczema on my hands. You can definitely see in past videos where it flares up in between right here, like my thumb and this finger, on my knuckles. Like as a kid, I would go to bed with lotion and socks on my hands and like just pray to God that it would go away because it embarrassed me so much. Things I'm doing in my diet and lifestyle have definitely helped it. I get that you can't cure eczema, but you definitely can take steps to improve what's going on and what's triggering your skin to behave a certain way. So obviously for me, supplements have worked. That's an internal thing, and like paying attention to sugar intake, you know, food allergies, but also if you're washing your hands a lot and you're using really harsh chemicals on your hands and that's the area that is causing a problem for you, maybe try switching up to a more natural soap. I know that's always helped me, and this one is really good. I like it so much. I definitely am going to be ordering more. I always go through these and I save them just to kind of give you guys the lowdown and the update. Like, all right, have we found anything better than the ones that I always pick up from Namies? And no, we have not. I tried out a body scrub from Pangea Organics. This is the Brazilian brown sugar with cocoa butter body scrub. Oh my gosh, gritty, delicious, smells like spa, and it just makes your skin so just like renewed. You feel like you went to the spa and got like scrubbed down because it's just so gritty and it gets like all the dead skin off. I loved this so much. Oh my gosh, I finally finished this, you guys, and I won't be purchasing it again because it's so expensive. The Sublimage face mist, I loved it. But $200 is just ridiculous, and I just don't feel comfortable using that as a setting mist. I mean, MAC Fix Plus, Pixie, those are great, those are fine, but it was fun while it lasted. The party's over though. I have gone through 2 Lash Paradise mascaras, no surprise. I have gone through my Kokie Volume and Length mascara. I actually would like to get another one of these because it is really good. I am done with my Samba Foot Fetish. This is good. Oh, it's fast absorbing. It almost feels powdery when you're done like rubbing it in. And I have the best husband in the world. He literally rubs my feet every night, like every single night. I'm not even exaggerating. We'll be on the couch and he'll rub my feet. And this is my favorite foot cream. I'm like spoiled little princess with it, but I think it's such a good thing to show self-love, to pay attention to the often neglected parts of your body. And there's something about knowing that your feet look pretty and clean and are taken care of, just makes you feel more confident. At least it does for me. So I'm all about a good foot cream, and this is my very favorite. I have another one of these already. This is the Airflash from Dior, number 300. I kind of called Dior out a little bit in a previous video. When I was talking about Tarte and their shade range, I called out a bunch of brands because their shade ranges suck too. This is one of them. This is one of them that I did notice, but it works really well. It's a great foundation. It does give you a very airbrushed finish, and it literally comes out like you're spray painting your face, even though that's not how I apply it. I apply it off the back of my hand with a brush, but that is a great foundation. I have the Perricone Multi-Action Overnight Treatment. Ooh, this is good. It stinks. It does not smell the most pleasant. Perricone products generally don't, but they don't put fragrance or anything in there to my knowledge, so it always kind of smells a little fishy. That sounds disgusting. But they have a lot of, you know, omegas and fish oils and whatnot in their products. I don't know what makes this one smell kind of weird. This is a great overnight treatment that really sinks into the skin and doesn't stay slimy or weird. So if you are extra dry and you need just a little extra magic while you rest, this is a really great overnight mask that I have enjoyed. I also thoroughly enjoyed this, you guys. Oh my gosh. So I am back on my Sicily Black Rose Cream, so I'm not gonna repurchase this right now, but I definitely would in the future. This is the 111 Skin Space Anti-Age Day Cream. This has the weirdest texture. It's like gel-like and slimy, but then creamy at the same time. So it's like you scoop out a little bit of it and it's like a serum gel with lotion. But when you put it on the skin, it just really hydrates, plumps up the skin. There's no silicones or dimethicone in this product, which makes your foundation work even better. And I did really love this so much. This one I purchased myself. The Sicily I purchased myself. I do get sent a lot of skincare. I'm very lucky with that, but I of course have my preferences. So I wanted to share with you guys that this one truly is just so good. This is the Hampton Sun Smart Serious Sunbathing Bronze, SPF 8. Tati, what are you doing with SPF 8? That's not enough. I'm like outing myself right now. This one, I think I got at a hotel when I forgot sunscreen. It has like a little bit of a glimmer to it, and it's that nice like shh. I used it all. I don't think I would buy this again, and I think it was probably a dumb idea for me to buy SPF 8, to be honest. Okay, I have the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I used this in my travel kit for a while. Every time I needed to really remove the makeup, I would reach for this, and this is a really good one. If you like Clinique and you want that kind of waxy balm to take off your makeup, this does a great job. And I also thought I would share with you guys my lash empties. So of course the Amber lashes from Everlasting Lashes, they are a smaller brand. I love supporting them. And the Amber lashes are some that I wear a lot of the time. One of my favorite styles. And then Blinking Beauty, they're number 6. I really love. And then it is rare for me to find lashes that I get super excited about, because a lot of the times they just like swallow up my eyes, and I will go to edit a video and I'm like, oh my gosh, you look crazy. You look like you're trying so hard. It just does not look good. And these ones I'm wearing right now, these are these Sweetheart lashes, and this is from Lavaa Lashes. They're based in LA, and I purchased these myself. I love them. I bought backups, obviously. These are reusable, and they're so good. What I need to know is, what's your favorite lash glue? Because I swear to you guys, like right now, okay, I had an issue getting mascara in my eyes this morning, and then I actually got lash glue in my eye, and I had to like take my contact out, and this whole eye was just like watering forever. It was like a whole thing. Oh my gosh. I am ready to get rid of these empties and start saving fresh new ones, because I will always bring these videos to you guys so long as you enjoy watching them, and I hope you do. So if you enjoyed this, please hit the like button. I appreciate that, and I'm sending you guys so much love. I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.